Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Code with Rajeshwari. If you are new here, I am Rajeshwari and on this channel we dive into all things iOS development and Apple tech. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, this is the place to be for tips, tutorials and in-depth insights into building applications for iOS. Today we are going to do an overview of iOS mobile app development covering the essential that every developer needs to know. Whether you are looking to build your first app or you just wanted a solid understanding of the process, this video is for you. So first of all, let's discuss about why to choose iOS development. Before we dive into the technical side of things, let's quickly talk about why iOS development is such a great choice. Apple's ecosystem offers a huge market, over a billion devices worldwide, and apps on the Apple Store are known for their quality and performance. Plus, with tools like Xcode and Swift, building apps has become easier and more efficient than ever. Another thing is key tools and technologies for iOS development. Now, let's look at the key tools you are be using for iOS development. First is Xcode, Apple's integrated development environment, or IDE. Xcode is the heart of iOS development, offering everything from coding to debugging and app testing all in one place. Next, we have Swift, Apple's powerful programming language. It's modern, fast, and easy to learn, making it ideal for both new and experienced developers. Let's discuss about key components of an iOS. Now let's break down the core components of an iOS application. Every iOS app is built on these basic elements. First is user interface. This is what user interacts with. Using Swift UI or UIKit, you can design and implement the interface. The other one is model view controller. The MVC design pattern is foundational in iOS. It keeps your coding organized by separating the data, user face, and the logic. Third one is app cycle. Every app has an important life cycle from launch to background and termination. Understanding this will help you to manage memory and performance more effectively. And final one is building your first application. The basic things are, if you are just starting out, a great way to get your feet wet is by building a simple application like a to-do list or a weather application. These apps help you to learn essential skills like setting up an Xcode project, working with views and controllers, and handling user input and interactions. And the final one is storing and retrieving data using user defaults or core data. The next thing we'll discuss about testing and debugging. Testing is crucial to ensuring your apps run smoothly. In Xcode, you can easily run the app on both the simulator and the physical devices. Don't forget to use the debugging tools in Xcode to identify any issues and fix them before you release your application. And the final step would be publishing to the application app store. Once your application is ready, it's time to share it with the world. The processing of publishing to the app stores involves setting up an Apple developer account, preparing application metadata, and submitting your application for review. Once approved, your app will be live for millions of users to download. Now that you have got a solid overview of iOS application development, I would love to know what kind of applications you are interested in building. Drop a comment below and let me know what your next project might be. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I'll make sure to answer as many as I can. If you found this video helpful and want more iOS development tutorials, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your notifications so you never miss a video. Every week I'll be diving into the new topics, tips and guides to help you to build the best application possible. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video give you a great starting point of your iOS application development journey. Be sure to like this video if you found it useful and share it with anyone who might be interested. I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding.